gusts. Now, as you look toward the Sierra, gusts at some of the higher peaks there, anywhere from 50 plus miles per hour. Meanwhile, Valley still remaining rather windy, a little gusty, but we'll primarily see 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts for the Valley if we see them at all as we move from Monday through Wednesday. Now, coastal range, if you're headed in that direction, you're going to get that movement, the east-west movement in your car. You're going to get the winds coming in from the north, so you'll definitely feel it. Now, looking at Monday, you're looking at 8 p.m. This is where we'll start to get more of the higher elevation snowfall. Temperatures dropping overnight, and then we'll start to get cooler temperatures, bringing in the snow early morning hours at a little bit lower elevations there. As you see right there, headed towards Classic for 2:30 a.m. We get a lower snowfall, but you also notice that it's a little bit of a mix going on here, rain and snow mixture. It's that winter mix that doesn't really mix. We do expect anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of sort of a low elevation, right around 5,000 feet or so above that. We can expect anywhere from 6 to 12 inches around 6,500 at 7,000 feet or so. Now, we also notice that most of the clouds coming in on Tuesday are just offshore, and then some of them along the cloud line there just east of Sacramento. So we could see some rain. We might just miss out entirely. So this is really going to depend in the next 24 to 48 hours where this low pressure system lands. And that's what we're going to be tracking. If we do see that landing closer to us, we could get as much as a tenth of an inch of rain, which would be great. But notice most of the spots really spotty and iffy. You notice you're seeing green over here, but you're saying there's no numbers. That's right. These are just model projections at this moment. So, of course, they're going to try to lay out where we think this system's going to land. But for the most part, I expect to see about 5/100ths of an inch, if only trace amounts that usually are not measured. So most of the spots there are going to be in the foothills for actual measurable rain. Let's look at the snow forecast, mostly above 6,000 feet. This is primarily where we see most of the accumulation happening. We'll see about 1 to 3 inches, primarily for areas south near Mammoth. Much higher elevations there, we'll see more of that snowfall. Looking towards South Lake Tahoe area, as well as towards Truckee, you get that kind of a darker blue shade. You're looking anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of snowfall from Tuesday into Wednesday. So this is a cumulative Monday through Wednesday forecast for us, where we'll see about 3 to 6 inches for most spots. Could get as high as 6 to 12 inches for some of the peaks. Now, I really want to look ahead into the forecast of what we can expect, because we know that we've gotten at least one system that moved through the Sierra just about a week ago, and now we have potential for one more to move through Monday through Wednesday in the Sierra, which is great, but that is setting up a pattern for what we could expect as we move toward March and what we're hoping to expect. As we move through this week, we don't see much happening after we get past this system. We kind of get a view of them headed toward the Pacific Northwest. Great news for them. But then we get this one, March 1st. We hope that this one is this long stream here off into the Pacific. This could be a potential atmospheric river that we are trying to tap into, and hopefully we do, with the low pressure carrying it along. If that's the case, that could provide us with just enough more rain for us to get well above average precipitation.
What a girl can whine, what a girl can whine, what a girl can whine. Girl whine your waistline, me girl just tip, 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 tip. But you do a girl tip, 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 tip. Turn it around, girl tip, 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 tip. But you do a girl tip, 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 tip.
Costa Rican.